Hello everyone and welcome to Easy Writer Motovlog. Today we're going to open something up. This is a photochromatic visor that I bought for the HJC helmet, and also a PinLock so we can reduce or eliminate fogging on the visor. So let's go ahead and open it up. See what we've got here. This just came from Amazon today. Big box. Not a very big package inside. Okay. The first thing we have is the visor. And then, of course, PinLock. So let's take a look and see what we've got. Looks like we can open it up over here. All right, here we go. Trying not to put any fingerprints on it because we've got to get the PinLock installed on it as well. But yeah, this looks really good. Hopefully it works as advertised and we can get it going. So the first thing that I'm going to do is peel off the plastic label on it. That's just on the outside, it's not on the inside. And then what I'm going to do is pause this for a second because I need to go get something to wipe down the inner part of the shield so we can apply the pin. All right, I am back. I got my cloth and I'm going to wipe down the inside of the visor. I'm going to make sure that there's no fingerprints or dust or anything that might impair my vision. All right, that should be good. Now let's go ahead and open up the package here. We'll read the instructions and hopefully get this installed with relatively little difficulty. I did order this from Amazon. Oh, and look at that. It did come with a little something to get the dust and such off your visor. Oh well, we'll put that off to the side. All right. Here is the PinLock item itself. It says remove film before use. So I'm thinking what I need to do, well, I'm not sure what I need to do. Let's see. I believe this part goes like this. So I'm going to go ahead and get any dust or anything that might have gotten on this PinLock system here. You know, when you do things like this, you inevitably get dust on things and then you're upset that it happened. But the good thing is I will be able to correct this issue by taking it off and just wiping it down again, so it shouldn't be a problem. Anyway, what I read you do is you go ahead and slip that in like so. Flatten this out as best you can. And then put the other end, have it grip onto the pin, which I'm having a problem doing. Let's see if I can do this a little bit better here. Okay, there we go. And now we are set. It's in. Just like that. The last step is to remove this yellow film from the visor so you can actually see out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, that's the last step. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down now. And there you go. Looks pretty good. Now to take the old visor off and put the new visor on. Let's set that off to the side. To remove the visor on the HJC, there is a little mechanism here. You press down, and I believe it just pops right off like that. So we'll go ahead and do the other side. Press the little mechanism down, and it should release. And the old visor is off. Now to put the new visor on, it should just snap on in place without any issues. So let's see if we can do this. Put this in here and see if we can get that on. This might be tough, but I think we're right. Okay, let's see. This is gonna go fails. I think it snapped. All right, let's go on the other side and see if we can do the same thing. And it's just gonna place. I think that. Oh, good. So, I don't know that wrong. See if we can do this again. Okay. This is not turning out too well, is it? All right, okay, I heard a snap. I think we're good to go. All right. There you have it. With minimal difficulty, I think, we got the new visor on. Looks good. What I really need to do is do a flashlight test to see if it truly darkens with light. So we can go ahead and do that. I will use the flashlight on my phone, and we'll see if we can get a spot. Okay. Well, I don't see any difference. Let me try this again. I'll do it facing me. It could be because it's kind of dark in here. I don't see any difference. I guess the true test will be taking it outside and see if it truly dims in sunlight. Okay. That's it. Installation of a photochromatic visor for the HJC i10 helmet, along with a PinLock clear anti-fog insert. Have a great day, everyone.